M.DAMALIE here, and welcome to my channel. Ever thought about diving into the world of healthcare hacking with Kali Linux? Today I will show you how to get Kali Linux up and running on your VirtualBox in just 5 minutes. If you're new here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and like this video. Time is quickly, so let's jump right in. Alright, in this I'm gonna help you be able to download VirtualBox. So head on to Google and type VirtualBox, as you can see on the screen, and then click on the download on the first Oracle VMbox download. And then once you're here, let's head on to Windows host. As you can see from the screen, click on the Windows host and it should be able to start downloading. Once we're done downloading, you go ahead and click on the downloader. And it should be able to bring you into the download wizard setup. And then all you just got to do from here is click next, and then you don't need to do anything here. Or you just got to go hit next. It will give you a little warning here, but you just don't have to do anything. Yes, and then go ahead and click yes, next, install, and your VirtualBox. This version is 7.10 as you're watching right now, and you'll be able to download into your Windows computer. And once it's done, hit on the finish button and we should be able to have our VirtualBox download successfully. Now let's head up to see how we can be able to download Kali Linux. So go ahead and type Kali Linux for penetration testing and click on the penetration testing. And then here you will click on the 64-bit and then you click download. And wait for your download to finish downloading. Once your Kali Linux ISO is downloaded, make sure you move it from the download to the desktop so we can be able to use it and to have our ethical hacking machine set up. So now let's open our VirtualBox machine and let's name it ethical hacking machine. And then from here we have to choose, since we're on Linux, we're installing on, we click on Linux. And then since this is going to be Debian, we'll go ahead and click Debian. So it's going to be Debian 64-bit, and everything looks good here. Actually, we will click on the, so from here we will go ahead and click on and then go look for our ISO that we downloaded, our Kali Linux ISO image. So we'll click it and open it. And then once this is good, we can be able to go ahead and hit next. And then from here, the base memory that we need is 4 MB. Make sure you don't go past it, because if you go past it, it might give you problems for your PC and you don't want that to happen. So I will go ahead and choose 4 MB, and that's already enough for your VirtualBox machine. And then also for the processor, we would normally, some people choose 2 CPU, but I'm gonna go ahead for 1 CPU, and that should be already enough to be able to run this successfully. So we'll go ahead and hit next after we're done. So we're gonna go ahead and hit next, and then from here it will tell us the disk size that we want to use. So for my machine, I'm locating 25 gig, and I'll hit next and then finish. And then that's it. We'll be able to have our ethical machine ready to be used. And once we have our ethical machine, as you can go to general, you will see we don't need to do anything here. On advanced session, the description will be blank as it is. For the disk encryption, you will be able to set an encryption password for this machine. We don't need to do anything here as well. And so that's pretty much it for today's video. If you find this information very useful, please make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. Until next time.